Hello everyone, and welcome back to Shortcut to Autodesk Maya. I have a special CGI video I want to share with you. I created it by using the Bryce Pro 7.1 and with Autodesk Maya. This is a rendered version of Autodesk Maya. If you want me to do a tutorial, please leave it in the comment section and I will make a tutorial. But I want 10 people to give me a comment if they want me to do a tutorial on this video. So please check it out. Tell me what you think. I think you're going to enjoy it. Alright, thank you. And don't forget to share, subscribe, and like this video. Please subscribe to this channel to help the channel grow. Appreciate it. Help your boy out. Thank you.